Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about parallelism in writing. Parallelism is a grammar thing, and you can find it in your Longman Academic Writing Series Book 4 on pages 191, 192, and then some exercises to do on page 193. So what does the word parallel mean? Well, if you look at the two lines here at the top of this page, those lines are parallel. Parallel just means going in the same direction. And so when you write, you want to make sure that your grammar goes in the same direction. And this is especially important when you are doing things like making lists. So let's look at a few examples. We see the sentence here, I'm taking classes in English, history, and how to program computers. So this sentence has a problem with parallelism. We have a subject name here, English, and we have another subject name here, history. But then we have how to program computers, and that's not the name of a subject. We want to change this to the name of a subject that you can study in college, like computer programming. Now we have parallel structure, and you see we have a list using and to join our three items. We can also create parallelism when we use but and or. So and, but, and or are our three big coordinators for making parallelism. So here again, we have a sentence with a problem. I love tea, but not drinking coffee. So we can change this in a couple of ways. We can say, I love tea, but not coffee. Or we could say, I love drinking tea, but not drinking coffee. Now, when you repeat words from one to the other, like drinking and drinking, this second one is optional. We could say, I love drinking tea, but not coffee. And that's also okay. Here I have a question with a problem. Do you prefer fishing or to swim? So I can change my infinitive to a gerund. Or, since both are all right in this context, I can ask, do you prefer to fish or to swim? Now, you can also create parallel structures using paired conjunctions. Those are conjunctions like either, or, neither, nor, etc. So let's look at the first example that uses either, or. You may submit your homework either by email or by Blackboard Messenger. Is there a mistake here? If you said no, you're correct. No mistake. We have by email or by Blackboard Messenger. Each one is a noun or noun phrase that goes together with by. Now we have an example with neither nor. I neither wrote that book nor read it. So this means I didn't write the book and I didn't read the book. And again, we have no mistakes. Here's my verb and complement. I neither wrote that book nor, here's my verb and complement, read it. Now we have both and. I both admire and respect him. And again, we could have had him in both places. I both admire him and respect him is also possible. Finally, we have not only, but also. We not only arrived at the party late, but also left the party early. So again, we've got our verb plus our complement and our verb plus our complement. And keep in mind, you have to have correct time. So here, both actions happened in the past. I strongly suggest you read the section in your book about parallel structure, do the exercises, and check them using our answer key, which is available to you online. As always, please come see me if you have any questions.